Hello there. Could you introduce us to your company and what you do?
Sure. My name's Tom. I'm with Thermo Dynamics. We're based in Nova Scotia, Canada. Been making solar thermal products for 30 years. Begun by my dad, a professor of engineering, of teaching thermodynamics and heat transfer for 30 years, and so he's developed this company with a number of products for basically heating water with the sun. So we've developed solar flat plate collectors, solar powered pumps, natural convection heat exchangers, and some other products to essentially heat water with the sun.
Lovely. And can you tell us a little bit more about that pump in front of you?
Of course, I'd be happy to. So this is the latest development of our solar pump. We're here exhibiting it at Intersolar Munich 2012 because it's a unique pump. You can't find something quite like this in the world. There are other solar-powered pumps out there, but this guy has a lot of pressure potential. It can create or generate or pump at up to 4 bars with using just the power of a PV module. We typically use it in our solar thermal systems as the main circulator and controller for our solar thermal systems, and all the power comes just from a typical PV module. This unit right here is mimicking a PV module since we don't have enough sunshine to get the energy that we like. But right now, if you look, we've got the voltage and the current that's powering this pump. We're giving it about 30 watts of power right now, and it's pumping at a pressure of about 40 psi, which is equivalent to about 2.75 bar. So we can easily increase that if I just increase the current, mimicking more power or more sunlight, but or decrease it. So by selecting the pump size and the PV module that we like, we can achieve any range of pressures or flow rates a customer might wish, up to a maximum of about 4 bar. And there's 3 different solar pump sizes, the largest being able to pump up to 20 liters per minute. So what this consists of inside is a brushless DC motor that we've developed ourselves that generates a rotating electromagnetic field which couples with the magnet on the pump rotor. This is a rotary vane pump, a good pressure pump, good at generating pressures. And there's an electronic circuit board which provides the commutation and the control of the motor, but also with that we've integrated its very own delta T controller so that you have all of the basic control requirements you need for a typical solar thermal system. So you connect 2 temperature sensors on the back, one for the solar collector, one for the solar storage tank. Connect the PV module power here, and you're good to go. The pump will pump when the sun is shining and when the collector temperature is hotter than the storage tank, with some fail-safe protection in the event of a short circuit or open circuit of the temperature sensors, and some high temperature limits for the collector temperature and high storage tank. So that's essentially it, and we just feel it makes sense that solar thermal systems be powered 100% by the sun rather than using nuclear or oil or gas powered energy to power the solar system.
Fantastic. And what sectors is the technology targeted at particularly?
Well, it's mainly targeted for just solar thermal installations. There's other uses for this. It's essentially a DC powered pump with differential temperature control. You don't need to use that differential control if you don't need to, if you just need a DC powered circulator. But the main target market is to replace some Grundfos and Vilo circulators, any AC powered circulator, and just power the solar system with the sun.
And where do you see the technology in 5 or 10 years?
I'd like to see people trying to copy us, because it just makes sense, I think, that the solar systems be 100% solar powered. How quick it will catch on, it's hard to say because we're more engineers rather than businessmen. But we hope little presentations like this will help to spread word of the technology, and just people will generally clue in and agree with us that it's a good idea. But it's hard to say. We've been doing solar-powered pumps for about 15 years now, but still the majority of the industry is still using AC-powered pumps for the solar thermal systems.